I am Jagruti Padman Bhuir from Shivajirao S. Zonle College of Pharmacy, Asangaon, studying in 3rd year B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain you the information about the medicinal plant that is sandalwood under the guidance of Dr. Nitin C. Mohiri as the principal of our college. This is the picture of sandalwood tree. The part of the sandalwood are hardwood, bark and oil. It is obtained by the distillation of hardwood of Santalum album linus. It belongs to family Santalaceae. The main chemical constituent present in the sandalwood are 90% of sesquiterpenic alcohol, santalal, santin. The sandalwood is used as a perfumery agent in the preparations of the soap, cosmetics, etc. It is also used as an anti-inflammatory agent in urinary tract infections, anti-cancer agents, hemorrhoids, and also different types of the skin diseases. Here are the introduction of sandalwood. Sandalwood is one of the oldest and precious plant with the great fragrance. It is an evergreen plant that can be grow up to the 20 meter in height. Attain grip up to the 2.4 meter wide with the branches which are dropping and slender. The bark of the tree can be dark brown or the red and dark grey in the young plant. In the older plant, these bark are with the deep cracks and red color from inside. There are two main varieties of the sandalwood. One is Indian and other is Australian. In Indian one, flower flourish in the month of March and April, while in Australian, flower flourish in the December and January. Sandalwood oil price is rupees 1,25,000 per liter in India. Sandalwood oil international market size was valued at $110.34 Minnesota in 2020. The total revenue is expected to grow at 6.99% through the 2021 to 2027, reaching nearly $165.5 Minnesota. Then, how we cultivate the sandalwood tree? The following factors are required for the cultivations of the sandalwood. The first one is the soil. Choose the soil with the adequate drainage. The pH of the soil is between the 6.0 to 7.5. The rainfall is about 850 to 1200 millimeters. The altitude between the 360 to 1350 meters, as well as temperature is about 12 to 35 degrees Celsius. The systematic cultivations is undertaken at Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The sandalwood trees is a hemiparasitic in nature, so it should be planted beside the suitable host. The best host for the sandalwood are the nitrogen fixing trees because the growth of the sandalwood depends on the availability of the amino acids, and the host plant should not be complete with the sandalwood for the nutrients. Acacias are also known as to be good sandalwood host. Then, collection of sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil is located within the tree's hardwood. Older trees contain high proportion of sandalwood. Sandalwood trees of minimum 15 years old produce commercially valuable sandalwood oil with the high level of fragrance because the oil is held tightly within the wood. For that purpose, distillation process is required in which wood is first ground to powder form. Marketed preparations. It is one of the ingredients of the preparations known as Abana, Evacure, Leucor, etc. First one is a natural glow powder, then Chandanadi Vati, Brahma Rasayan that is Dabur, anti-wrinkle cream that is Himalaya, and Mahamarishta Dal that is Baidyanath. This plant is available at Shivgita Udyan, Shivajirao S. Zonle College of Pharmacy, Asangaon. Here is the Google location of this plant. These are the different references that I use. I am thankful to our President, Honorable Dr. Shivajirao S. Zondre Sir, Secretary Honorable Geeta Zondre Ma'am, and Dr. Nitin C. Mohiri as the Principal of our college for encouragement and guidance for efficient use of social media to spread knowledge through making different types of the informative videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for some informative videos. Thank you.